Have you ever been asked, "How are you?" and you answered, "I'm fine," even when you weren't? Most of us have done that. We smile, we showed up, we function, but inside, we are quietly struggling. Today, I want to talk about something we will all experience, yet rarely speak about openly: mental health. Not as a weakness, but as a shared human experience that deserve understanding, care, and conversation. Mental health affects how we think, feel, and act. It influences how we handle stress, make decisions, and connect with others. Yet in many communities, including ours, it is still surrounded by silence and stigma. We often hear phrases like "be strong," "others have it worse," or "just pray and move on." While these words may come from good intention, they can unintentionally make people feel ashamed for struggling. Let me share a simple truth. Mental health struggle do not always look dramatic. Sometimes they look like exhaustion. Sometimes they look like isolation. Sometimes they look like a person who keep going until they can't anymore. Students face pressure to succeed. Parents carry financial and emotional burdens. Young people compare their lives to unrealistic standards online. And many people suffer silently because they fear being judged. This matter because of when mental health is ignored, it affects relationship, productivity, physical health, and even our sense of purpose. But when acknowledged it, sometimes powerful happen, healing begins. Talking about mental health does not mean we have all the answers. It simply means we are willing to listen, understand, and to say you are not alone. So here is the idea worth spreading. Checking on mental health should be as normal as checking on physical health. Start with small action, ask silently, sincerely, listen without judgment, speak kindly to others and to yourself. Because sometimes the most powerful things you can offer is not advice but presence. Let us create a community where saying "I'm not okay" is met not with silence but with support. Thank you.